eventually fall out of view. And then sometimes something starts me down the road. My brain stops thinking and I find a little bit more control. I don't know what's going on. Why does it feel so wrong? Maybe I'm just crazy. Front lines, battling traffic online, deciphering problems, and your eyes eventually fall out of view. And then sometimes when you're back out on the road, your brain stops thinking and you find a little bit more of your soul. I don't know what's going on. Is anyone that strong? Maybe you're just crazy. I don't know what's going on. Is anyone that strong? Maybe you're just crazy. Hard times, pinching their pockets, headlines, reality TV, and their eyes eventually fall